everybody, as you can see, we're out driving today. It's a fun one. We have all the family here. And we finally have the cage in. So I'm gonna warm the car up. We're gonna go out for some laps and figure it out. And then we'll start tandeming and giving some ride-alongs to the family. But today should be a really good fun. We have mom, my best friend, wife, kid, our new dog. And it's gonna be a good day. So let's go out and have some fun. Dude, that's so fucking fun! Holy shit! Dude, so much better! I know this is gonna sound like kind of a pansy comment, but I'm literally fighting back tears right now. I don't know why I'm getting so emotional, but I think a lot of it is the fact that my mom has never watched me drive, and the first time she's watching me drive, I'm tandeming. It could be just the adrenaline. It could be that my family's here to watch. My best friend is here to watch. Like, fuck, dude. I don't know if this is gonna make it in the video, but I feel like it's such a small thing, and I don't know why it's impacting me the way that it is, but it's one of those like really proud moments where it's like finally my parents get to see what I'm doing in person and not on Instagram or on YouTube, and that's so fucking cool to me, dude. So cool. All right, we're back out on the track. I had to check some shit. I'm hitting frame rail with my tire, so I need to try not to go as much angle, but I got my best fucking friend in the car, dude. This is Brandon. I've known this dude for almost a decade now. He's one of my best friends. Like, he's the best man at my wedding. It's been a long time coming for him to come and ride along, so we're gonna go get some fucking laps, dude. Let's fucking go! It's so much tighter, right?
Yeah, that was sick. Your phone.
Oh, thank you. I feel like it puts the power down so much better.
Oh my god, that was awesome. Guys, my husband does cool things.
Okay, so I'm sorry, I haven't been like recording myself a whole lot, but we're about to take Mom out for her first ride along. This is her first time she's ever been to an event, first time she's ever ridden, so we're gonna go get her in the car and scare her a little bit.
Oh, dear God. Oh, there's no going back now. I apologize for anything I might say. Oh my God. Woo! I have no idea what I got on here.
All right, what do you think?
Holy crap, that was so much fun.
This is the best reaction I could have hoped for. Oh my.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh God.
Never for a minute thought I was gonna die. And I didn't pee.
All right. Well, Mom.
You're not posting that, are you?
Oh, it's going on YouTube. Mom and Troy are going to be going back to the hotel, so I'm going to say bye to them, get back out there, run some more laps, and then once they start the competition up, I'm probably going to take off. So I'll be back with you guys here in a sec.
guys, well, we're home from the event. Again, I have to apologize. I know like filming was choppy, but it's the first time my mom has ever watched me drive and ride in a drift car, and my best friend watched me drive and ride in the drift car. And you know, sometimes those things gotta take a little bit of priority, but holy shit, dude, tandeming is so much more fun. It's everything that I've wanted drifting to be up until this point. It's everything that I was hoping it would be. Now I'm like, I just want to drive more and get better at it. I was fairly selective with who I drove with, just because I don't know how everybody drives. It has nothing to do with anybody's skill. It's just I don't know how everybody drives, and so I drove with the people that I was comfortable with, that I've seen drive plenty, and I know what their lines look like. But that being said, I am gonna go take a shower and get some rest. I'll finish up the video tomorrow. I'm just exhausted, super tired, so hard to put my thoughts together, and there's a lot of thoughts, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so next day, it's in the morning, got the car unloaded and in the garage, and had some time to sleep on things and get the adrenaline out of my system so I can actually think. Dude, I'm super stoked on how the car feels with the cage. Never realized how much stiffer and more planted the chassis would feel, being all tied together. Obviously, it kind of makes sense, but it felt faster in a way. Really excited. I'm finally tandeming. I kind of was getting bored of sitting in the solo line and seeing all my friends catch doors. Obviously, we didn't catch doors, but just getting out there with other cars on the track and figuring out how to cut a line with faster cars or hit the handbrake to adjust line and chase, it opens up a whole new world of things that I can learn with drifting, and it's really everything I ever wanted drifting to be. It brought back that adrenaline rush, and it just makes it that much more exciting. Aside from just getting out with other cars on the track, though, we were pushing closer to the wall this time. I'm getting a lot more confident in the car now that it's gripped up the way it should be, and I'm starting to figure out like rear suspension and dampening and everything, and how I can adjust that to get the car to handle how I want it to. So very excited on that, but overall super stoked with how the car feels. It was awesome to see my best friend and his family, my mom out there at her first drift event and her first ride along. And yeah, overall, it's just a really good time at Easter Drift. We really only have 1 or 2 more events to go before the car goes down for the summer. And then content's really going to start kind of being, I'm not sure if it's going to be super fast or really slow and just high value videos. But over the summer, I think it's time now to reveal what we're going to be doing on the channel, just to hype up and get you guys excited. So without further ado, let me show you guys the new power plant for later this year. So yeah, we're going LS. It should be a lot more power. We're going to be going from maybe 170 horsepower right now with a 2.5 liter to, this is a Gen 4 6 liter LS with LS3 heads, BTR, valve train, stage 4 cam. Should make in the realm of somewhere in between 400 and 500 wheel horsepower. We're going to be putting a 4-speed side shift transmission behind it, and then we're still kind of figuring out what we're going to do with the rear end to make sure it can handle all the power and not be breaking output stubs or the diff or axles. But I'm really excited. We already have pretty much everything for the swap. We have Terminator X over there, the harness and a bigger display. We have the swap kit showing up on Monday. You see the engine, brand new clutch in there, a brand new throwout. I'm pretty stoked. Should be really cool. The car's gonna be super rowdy, and at the same time that we pull the car out with the new swap running and driving, the car will also have a full livery done. So this year the car is gonna change even more. I know it's changed a lot because cage and everything like that, but when we put the car down in late June, early July, it's going to be 2, maybe 2.5 months before it comes back out and has a completely new drivetrain in it. And then we'll see how it runs and drives at that point. I'm really stoked to be doing it. And then next year, this is going to be getting as many events in as possible, because I would really like to start traveling to other events out of state and driving with other drivers and just new tracks, new experiences, and start competing. So that being said, that's it for this video. Thank you guys all for tuning in. If you like today's content, like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Helps the algorithm and helps the channel grow. And the more channel grows, the more we can do. So till next time, you guys all stay easy. Thanks for tuning in, and peace.
Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop. Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop. I fucked up this Russell, baby, we hustle, but then what the oh my I fucked up this Russell, baby, we hustle, but then what the oh my